Yes, my viewers, doing some repairs on a QSC 700 watt. Yeah, it's all about no power. When you plug it in, turn it on, no power. No light inside, no power inside. So here is the plug wire. I'm gonna plug it in, show you what's going on. Alright. Yeah. When go to the amplifier now and try to turn it on. There is no power inside. No power inside. Alright, so I'm gonna pull it up now. Try to see what's going on inside.
Evah slick. Evah slick. Evah slick.
Yeah, this is the inside. Yes, my viewers, this is the inside of the QSC 700 watt amplifier. Yeah, it have like a cobweb here and there, so I have to brush it down a little. It is not coming on. No power is not going inside. When you plug it in, try to turn it on. Alright, so I'm gonna check, see what's going on inside here. Alright, so if you want to know what's going on in this QSC 700 watt amplifier, stick around. Alright. Okay, my viewers, as you can see, the power line coming here. Yeah, come to the switch, then it makes some connection and go back to the transformer. This is the transformer. Alright, the current from the transformer come right to the rectifier. These are the rectifier, because each channel have his own power supply. As you can see, this is one power supply for the left, one for the right. Alright, here it is a separate power supply. That is the reason why QSC amplifier play so good. Alright, yeah. Alright, this is where you find the resistor for the output, but we're not going to go there now because we don't have a output problem, we have a power problem. This is the two driver for the right side, this is the two driver for the left side. These are the output. As you can see, my viewers, one side use 6 output, yeah, and the next side use 6. All right, it is transistor, yeah, this type of transistor. All right, okay, so right now we are about to check to see if current is coming out of the transformer. All right, yeah, to go to the rectifier, then go to the capacitor. This is the left side power supply rectifier. So this is gonna regulate the DC current to this capacitor here. This one regulate the current to this capacitor here. Yeah, two separate power supply. So you notice there is no current inside. That means there's no power from the transformer. Alright, so I'm gonna do a test now to find out if current is going into the transformer or if the current is going in but not coming out. Alright, yeah, time to get to the nitty-gritty. Alright, the connection from the outside come right to the switch, straight to the board. The next leg straight to the board. Alright, there is 3 lines coming from outside. One is dead grounds, the body grounds. One come to the switch, the power switch inside the board, and the next one comes straight in the board. So I have to get this board out to see what's going on. Alright, so I have to pull all these screws. Okay, my viewers, here we go now. Time to turn the board to see what's going on here. Alright, first thing first, make a sweep clean sweep. Yeah, okay, my viewers and subscribers, okay, see what's going on. The board look good. Yeah, the board is good, man. No problem here. No problem here on the board. So right now I have to go through and check all these connections here. So what is going on? Okay, time to check on the board for what's going on. No power inside. The transformer sending current here to the connection going to the board, but there is no current coming from the rectifier. Alright, going into beep mode. Yeah, as you can hear that, beep mode. Alright, first thing first, alright, finding the fuse. Let's see what's going on. That is the fuse. That is the fuse. You're supposed to get sound from that. You're supposed to hear, yeah, that beep. This is the fuse. The fuse look good, but it's not working. This amplifier was it's a 110 amplifier, but 220 go to it. The guy plug it on 220, so seems like it cut the fuse them. Yeah, it cut the fuse, leave the fuse standing pretty as usual, like it good, but it is not good. Yeah, alright. Going into diode mode. The rectifier is good. These rectifier is 4 diode in one. Right? These rectifier is 4 diode in one. If you understand what is a diode. Okay, my viewers, these are the two rectifiers, 4 diode in one. Alright? Yeah. These are the fuse. Fuse is out. So I have to get two fuse. The fuse looking shine and pretty, but not saying anything. You have to make sure it is the same 5 amp. To make sure it is the same 5 amp fuse. Alright. Okay. Yep. Have to set it back in line. Make sure everything is up before turn it on. Alright. Don't want anything to short out. Alright, I'm gonna plug it in now. See what's going on. Do you hear that? I got power inside. Yes, my viewers. Got power inside. I have to show you what's going on here. Got power inside. Okay, my viewers. Here we go. Here we go. Alright. We have power inside. Yeah. Fan is running. Alright, we have to check it now, make sure it is playing, alright? Time to check it out. Time to check it out. Alright. I'm in channel 1.
Listen now, select intelligently.
Fan is not spinning. Why the fan ain't spinning?
The fatal 45, we get them plenty, plenty. I'm not yet, them Sunday, I'm not yet.
Yes, my viewers, amplifier ready. Output is in. Input is in. Time to put some current into it.
Them Sunday, I'm
Yeah, don't want to get copyright, you know, that is cockatoo. Don't want to get copyright for this video, alright? So yes, my viewers, it's all about QSC 700 watt amplifier. Yeah, man. The guy plug it on 220. It is a 110 unit, but the guy plug it on 220, so it burn out the fuse them. Alright, so it's up and ready again. Alright, my viewers, so you don't know, it's all about like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Evah Media. Alright. So yes, my viewers, inside the workshop here, I don't know, it's all about try to repair some things, you know what I mean? Yeah, so that was the QSC 700 watt power amplifier. So yeah, my viewers, don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Alright, so if you have a TV and you're having a backlight problem where you get sound but no picture, you can check this video right here. Check this video right here. Alright, so thanks for watching, my viewers and my subscribers. Peace. I'm out.